So I've rebooted. I need to find again Strimio. Where did we go? We went to Strimio with an I. There is Strimio with an E. Also interesting to have a look at, but Strimio. Download, Linux, Snap Store. Found a link somewhere for ArcoLinux. And we've done all this. Well, this has been changed with yay -s strimio. That's actually something you can type, right? And it's just that one. And we also enabled the sockets, and we made a link. And then I said either log out, log back in. We've done that. Can we now finally install the package? Ctrl-Shift-V. Let's have a look. All right, and off we go. Security profiles. Can have a look what's going on. Where was it again? var lib snapd. Things are changing here, right? Snap and snapd 9721 user bin. Snap is here, and we have snaps there. And just keep looking around, right? It's always interesting to see what applications do to your system. How's it going? Nothing moving here, not yet. Security profiles. Anything else? Nope, nothing else to do. Install Snap. And again, we come here. Let's have a look at the Snap Store. Beekeeper Studio. They keep coming up and all these different music players. It's like, is it the music player? No. I thought it was music. My head is still with Taiwan music box or something like that. And it looked very similar, but it is not. It is an open source SQL editor and database management app. Eric, read. Oh my God, look at what it all supports. Nothing for the daily user. What's that? Peer-to-group video chat. Again, a new application to try out. I guess most of us on work basis anyway are using Teams, maybe Zoom, or even Google Meet. Oh, Trackmania, Nations Forever. Awesome. Install, please. View in desktop store. So this is what I need to do. Cool, gonna copy paste it already. But, oh, is it installed? Then please install this one, right? Okay, let's see. So Strimio. The application, it does not interest me, right? It's the how-to that interests me. The technical part, is this working? And as a designer, and that's my problem with that always, it breaks the design. Unless I have the surfing icons, this is not gonna be, it's obvious that the icon here is missing, and that's no fun, right? So, sure. How's my other thing? My game there. Ooh, let's include some gaming, right? TM, Nations. There it is, Trackmania. Track. Again, icon is broken. I don't think I can do a lot about it as a icon developer because it's not in applications. It's not here. Trackmania is not inside user share applications. It's not getting his icon from here at all. It's coming somewhere from the system itself, so from Snap something, right? Now we have created a link, so this arrow here is a link, so we can use the link as well. and here is Strimio desktop, and here's the other one. So somewhere in here is where should I put it? Right in an icon. Should be somewhere an icon in here. Search with catfish. PNGs. Show me all the PNGs you got. And it's a meta GUI. And here's another one, PNG. So the icon is coming from here. And nothing I can do about it. And that's not fun. And that's why I don't like Snapd, because it breaks my system here. But like I said, if we quickly change to Surfen, which we just got an update, right? There's an update. That's the time. We have a Surfen. Let's take a Mint, right? Mint red. There are different folders, and these folders are coming from Mint, right? Linux, Mint. And actually they're coming, of course, from somebody else, Horse3180. We created these beautiful folders. And the one we tend to use is the one with Surf and Arc, right? So this is the general normal one. It's all the same. It's the same template. It's the same SVG. And they colored it differently. And you get a Surf and Mint Y and Mint Y here, all these colors, which is good, right? We have some choices. We can change from time to time. So there you go. Is it now, is it now obvious? Oh, why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? A good question. Surfer Mint White Dark. So, that's better. And this guy is not doing that. Okay. To do. Anyway, this is the way it should look, right? And then we have nations. And then, yeah, it's okay, right? It's not gonna, well, it's more or less in the theme, and the theming is not broken. That's so, it all depends. So that was my Strimio. I wanted to test out my nations and include that in the video as well. And it's up to you guys. There are so many out there, and if you don't mind the icons that are broken inside, that's cool. And otherwise, right, take another icon theme. I guess he wants to run it in Windows, right? Wine. Are we going to drink something, Eric? ArcoLinux wine. I never go here. I mean, I don't want any Windows things running on my ArcoLinux/ArcoLinux thing ever. So my expertise is zero. So crossover is indeed another application. Luther is you can install it. It's in Calamares. Play on Linux is there, and other stuff. So it's like, trying to mix two things together, right? Which are not supposed to be mixed together, but hey, that's my opinion, and everybody has an opinion. Have you heard? Everyone has an opinion. Downloading. I hope it's not too long. You see execute already? AE here. Maybe I can make this bigger. Ta-da! Exe. What does it stand for? Executable. Right, it's gonna take a while, I guess. Be patient, be patient, be patient. But I should be now at breakfast. Well, yeah, on Sundays, that's the time for breakfast. Almost there. Game.pack. I was gonna put it somewhere. I have no idea where it's going to put it. So somewhere in my system. Ooh, a little bit big. Somewhere there's gonna be something wine Optus probably good one. Let's read. TM forever, all your great internet games, your other players, peer-to-peer. We're now checking your network connection. Okay, check my network connection. Oh my god, please don't tell me I have to create an account. No idea. If I have one, and let's see if I can just go ahead with this. That is okay with for you? No, I guess not. Yeah, it's an online account, right? Can't we go local or something? I just want to show this. We can't go local. What's that? What's that? And what's that? Sound and things. Making bigger. Huh? 3D? Oh yeah, 3D. Oh my god. No. Alright. Haha. It looks like it's going to work, right? So later on I'll see if I have an account or whatever and show you guys. Alright. Cheers.